panuwang 1950s at ila pong pepaluwal rening The Platters. In lagyo na po ning kantara, The Great Pretender. Nga na ning kanta, yes, I'm the great pretender. Pretending that I'm doing well. My need is such, I pretend too much. I'm lonely, but no one can tell. The Great Pretender. Wari, ikatamu, dakal tamon, balong taong pa kanyan. Pretentious. They are pretending to be happy. They are pretending to be okay. But they are not really okay. They are not really fine. Magkunwaring masaya, ang yangatilang masakit pagdalanan. Magkunwaring okay, ang yang baludang naman talaga okay. Anak tamo pa po, may sanita na sigurong to pretend to be someone else. Anak tamo pang malati. Wari nga, anak tamo malati, mamyalong tamong doktor-doktoran, teacher-teacheran, o kaya metong kang tagaluto. Patse doktor, kating kang stethoscope, apyalungan. Patse teacher, katuturwanan mo la, rening pinsan-pinsan mo. At atandanan ko po kanita, kaming mipipinsan, potang mamyalong kami, lutu-lutuan. Kumakambulong ng bayabas, kumakambulaklak ng bonggabilya, piyaluming gabun, piyaluming batu-batu, king kawali, tsaka may pihalo-halo. Nakaiba lang, magtinda na ka naman. May nga rita namang chef, kanita. Not just in the profession, but also in the superheroes we want to be. Ika yung babae. Wari, may ngarap kayo naman maging Darna Kimbiyeyo. Ang pong Wonder Woman. Ika yung lalaki, Kenny. May ngarap kayo rin maging Superman o Batman. Susulod je pa kanita, munay pa yung pantalon ng kay brief ken luwal. Maglupa na ka talagang Superman o Batman. I'm sure, anyang kanitang anak tamo pa, okay mo po kaya katamo to pretend to be someone else. Pero ngayon pong tutuwa na yung bili takitiking yato. Okay pa ba to pretend to be someone? To pretend to be happy? To pretend to be good? Nang minsan po daratang kimbiyeta mo yan Tamo ba guilty kanina Sometimes, we pretend to show that we are really concerned kung metong tao kung kakwentuhan tamo. Pero yung tutunan nita, nang minsan kakainip ka rin kung kwentura Nang minsan we pretend in working hard. Potang kayarap may boss tamo, yung employer tamo. Pero kagulot na kalako na tatamad-tamad na ka na naman. We pretend to be a good friend to someone. Pero potang kagulot na nano-nano na mo ing panyabyantan. We all have an experience of pretending. Yan naman niya ako. Ikatamungan. At asasabi tamo po that one is pretending when there is contradiction between our inner and outer actions. Potang mamakma, kimburining puso, king gagawan. Purining puso mo, luguran mo yung kaparan mo. Kalupa nung maknano may luluguran ing sarili mo. Pero nanang papalwal da rin pamanugali tamo at king gagawan tamo. Aliwa. Potang mamakma mo rin ing salita king gawa. Kakamong salita, nga rin nga liwakin. Naman totoo yung panyabyan mo. And kami, yako. And minsan I am guilty of that. Kasi magumilya ako, sasabihan ko ka rin, tao, you need to do this na minsan. We need to love our neighbor. Minsan masakit mo rin How can we love our neighbor nung penasakitan ka? How can we love our neighbor nung maragul, yagewang mali kaya ka? How can we love our neighbor as ourselves nung eta naman talaga agyong lugaran ing metong nga tao? Angga ka mong salita. Sasabihan tamo, we need to love, we need to show our compassion, we need to help the poor, pero naman mayakit king gawa. Pretentious. At inyang mas masakit aama nung ginamit po Jesus Kenny. Ba nung mas masakit iya? Nga na hipokritas. Hypocrites. Potang sibyaran ba kang hipokrita, fake, plastic, ning metong nga tao, ka manasakit? Sigurado mo, manasakit na mo. Pero anyang babasan kaya po in Ebanghelyo tamo, may papaisip ko naman. Sabi ko kay sarili ko, is Jesus pretending to be mad? Is Jesus pretending to be mad? Wari po mesane tamo that when we describe Jesus, Jesus is loving, Jesus is compassionate, Jesus is forgiving. Was Jesus just pretending to be mad? Why is that king Ebanghelyo tamong edi? We hear how fierce Jesus is. We hear how Jesus is condemning. Damdaman niyo po retang pitong mga sakit nung retang pitong mga sakit amano ng sinabi ka rin ni Pariseo pong eskriba. Nung basa niya pa itang napon ay Ebanghelyo tam. The 7 woes of Jesus Christ to the Pharisees. 7 times nang sinabi karela, hypocritas. You fake. You plastics. And grabe, this sin is unlikely to Jesus. Ibang-iba. Tamo yatang sanay makaramdam kang Jesus sa pakanyan. Was He just pretending to be mad? Ali? No. He was not pretending to be mad. He was not mad on the Pharisees and the scribes per se. He was being mad on the things they are doing. Jesus naman ka rin per se, yung pong eskriba. Waya karetang daraptan, darening eskriba, ang pong pariseo. Maya, uling buri na lang panasakitan, rening pariseo at eskriba. Maya, uling karening daraptan, darening mangarok, darening eskriba, ang pong pariseo. Malinis lamong lalawen kilub nga na, ay keng kilwal, pero keng kilub, no karinat. Anya maya, because of what they are doing. At atandanan niya po itang panahon na nunok ka rin. Waya naman ni Jesus sa niyang mintaya kin templo. Anyang pe malibag no ring lamesa. Waya ba karetang mamisale? Karetang vendors? Waya karetang taraptan? Darening mamisali. Uling gewa ding palengki ing templo ni nga pong Ginoo. Waya king gawa. Not on the people, not on the persons. Kasi po nung sabyan tamong waya Jesus karing magtindakin templo, karing prostitutes, karing tax collectors, karing mapanako, to all sinners like us, ikatamo. No ka rin niya pa maglugal, ing pakalulo ni nga pong Ginoo. Nung waya, because of what we are. Kasi, tao tamo, maya, maglugal niya pa kaya yung pakalulo ni nga pong Ginoo. May kadalini. No ko rin niya pa maglugal, ingana ka ni nga pong Ginoo. Anya niya kasanting yung sinabi ng Jesus Kenny, king Ebanghelyo tamo eh. Nung basa niya, king English yung amano na, wow. Pero king Kapampangan niya kasanting yung ginamit na. Makalunos kayo. Burinang sabihan, at niya pamuring lunos, inga pong ginukarela. Makalunos kayo, ikayong pariseo, ikayong eskriba. Burinang sabihan ng pakalulo ni nga pong Ginoo, pamurin may wala, karela. At suya pamurin. My dear friends, let us not be mad to the persons who have wronged us. Let us not be mad to persons who are corrupt in the government. Let us not be mad to persons who have sinned against us. Let us not be mad to persons, but let us be mad to sins. Let us be mad to the sins they have done to us. Magimwata mo king kasalanan at alikin tao. Pankanita tinya pamurin lugal, inggan ka, ating pakalulo ni nga pong Ginoo. Let us also not pretend that everything is okay. Kaniting pandemyang daralanan tamo, kare nga kakita mong pakalulo, king dalandalan. Kare malilyaring kasakitan, king pamibibye tamo. Nung king personal mong pamibibye, okay ka. Do not pretend that everything is okay because it is not. Everything is not okay today. Nano maning malalyari king yato hanggang ating pakakalulo. Hanggang ating pakakalulo at mangalalo, it will not be fine. And do not pretend that this is okay because it is not. Be mad if we are not doing something. Nung alata mong gagawan. And be mad nung normal na mo sa palagir mo, ingakakita mong ating makakasakit. May we learn to use the emotion of anger to change our lives and to change our community now and forever. Amen.